we bless, we bow down and worship you. Yes, we lay our crowns and we worship. So great is thy faithfulness, oh God, my Father. There is no shadow of turning with thee. Thou changest not, thy compassion they fail not. As thou hast been, thou forever be. Lift it up and sing to him. Great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning, your mercies I see. All I have needed, your hands have provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord. We'll sing it one more time and say, great is your faithfulness. Great is your faithfulness. Morning by morning, your mercies we see. All I have needed, thy hands have provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto thee. In a meredima, in a meredima, in a meredima. Be like sin, a big thing, Lord. Your grace makes a difference. Just the embarrassed. I like you. Lift it up to him and say, I like the way I talk. I tell you, I tell you. So we say, you make the little things I do. It be like sin. Jesus, your grace is it's just embarrass me. Oh, I like it. Oh, hey, Jesus, say, Jesus, oh, make I worship you today, Jesus. Oh, I bow before your throne, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, we worship you today. Oh, Jesus, you're we worship you. We bow before your throne. Jesus is real. Jesus, you are we worship you. Jesus, we cannot tell it all. Hey, if you are grateful to God this morning, lift up your voices and say, if we have 10,000 tongues, it still would be enough. Hey, Ratakatalia Sute. Yeah, Shukunako. When you hear completely, completely. Jesus, Shukunako. Yes, he can do. Yes, we say. So we sing Nara. We have come to say thank you, Lord. We have come to say thank you, Lord. Nara. Jesus. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. We lift our voices and say Nara. We bow before your throne and say Nara. We are grateful. We are grateful. We are grateful. We are grateful. We say Nara. Yes, Lord. We worship you. We hail you, Most High. You are the Alpha. Yes, we hail you. We worship. No one else like you, Lord. That is why we hail. That is why we hail. Yes, we hail you. Yes, you are King of Kings, Lord of Lords. Nothing can compare to you. Yes, you are. We hail you. We bow before your majesty. Yes, you are awesome. Yes, you are mighty. Yes, you are awesome. Yes, you are mighty. Yes, we hail you. We bow. We bow. We bow. Yes, we hail you. Yes, Lord, we hail you. We are here to worship you, Lord. We are here to lay our hearts before you. We are here to lay our hearts before you. We hail you, Lord. Jesus, yes, we hail you. Jesus, we hail you. We worship you. Yes, we hail you. Most High, lift up your hands and worship him. Say, Lord, we hail you. And we bow before your throne. We hail you, Most High. Say like fire, like rain. We want your glory to fall. Like fire, like rain. We want your fire and rain. We want you to fall on us this morning. Jesus, like fire, like rain. You are God Most High. Yes, you are Jesus Christ. You are Elohim Israel. Ademo Satai. You are God Most High. You are Jesus. Lift up your voices and say, God Most High. You are Jesus Christ. You are Hallelujah. You are Hallelujah. If you know this God, I know you might want to open up your mouth and say, you are Elion. No one can compare to you. You are Lord Most High. Yes, you are Jesus. Yeshua, you are Mashiach, Lion of Judah. You are Yeshua, Mashiach. You are Lion of Judah. Jesus, you're mighty. Oh, yes, we never see anyone like you. We never see anyone like you. Said we never see anyone like you. Jesus, I've not seen anyone like you. Lord, I've not seen anyone like you. Above the heavens and the earth, no one else like you. Jesus, I've not seen anyone like you. Lord, I've not seen anyone like you. Yes, we never see